Ladies and gentlemen and non-binaries of all races, welcome back to Tulpa Cooking with the Huel review. It even comes with a sweet Huel shirt. We're actually sponsored by danimals. Why have sex with animals when you can have sex with danimals? I've been consuming Huel for about a month now, and I gotta say, it's actually pretty good. Huel is a meal replacement product that comes in powder form. You get 2 bags that hold 14 servings each, a serving being a full Huel meal. So you get 28 meals for $66, so about $2.36 a meal. So it's relatively cheap and will fill you up if hungry. It only takes about 2 minutes to make. 14 ounces of water, which you can use measurements on the Huel bottle itself for, then 3 scoops of Huel powder with the measuring cup it came with, shake for 10 seconds, then 2.5 cups of water with the same measuring cup, then shake again. Taste is not bad. I would describe it as oaty with a bit of grains and nuts. A mix of all that, when chilled in the refrigerator or with ice cubes, tastes somewhere in between oatmeal and peanut butter. So pretty decent. Finishing a full Huel meal will fill you up, but not with grease and fat like eating a whole pizza will. You will just feel content, which is great when you're just really hungry and need a quick meal. Now, the real question I want to answer with this video is if Huel is right for you, because it's not for everyone. I have to wake up at 3 AM to get to work at 4 AM in the morning for my job. So if no time to cook, making quick Huel works great for my situation. I suggest Huel for situations where you really need the speed, portability, and convenience of a meal replacement. Or especially lazy and just want to take a sip every once in a while over the course of an hour while you're working and just too busy to stop working and grab a fork and aim your instant ramen into your mouth and crap, because drinking is just way easier and faster than eating. I tried to replace all meals with Huel, but my body just wants more variety and I got my cravings to satisfy. So I only replaced 1 meal every day or 2, usually breakfast on work days or lunches when working from home. So you shouldn't expect to start drinking only Huel for all meals unless you really need to. Just once a day or so is what most people do anyway. Now I didn't really get Huel for health reasons, just for the convenience and cheapness, but I did actually notice a difference. I lost weight in a month. Wasn't intentional. Huel is just really filling and only 450 calories, so 1 bottle can sometimes last 2 meals if you aren't especially hungry. You just eat less when on Huel. Like I said before, it doesn't make you feel greasy or meaty or sugary. I guess that's the best way to describe it. You feel more grainy and it feels nice, like going vegan with way less effort. You just kind of feel more healthy, at least more healthy than getting Taco Bell for breakfast before work like I have. There might just be a placebo, but as a non-health expert or health advocate, I did feel a difference for the better and have lost weight without even trying. So if you want to try it for that, then go for it, totally. I would not recommend this for people who are big tasters. I guess that's the made-up vocabulary we use. People who care a lot about cooking or eating yummy food as often as possible, or people who eat socially with friends and family every day. Like I said, it tastes decent, and I will continue to drink it without taste being a factor. But the main thing is the human desire for variety and cravings that we all have that Huel will not satisfy for everyone. To be fair, you can buy flavor pouches, you can mix in bananas or berries or chocolate and coffee. There are a lot of variations to satisfy those people, but no matter how you blend your meal replacement, it will only be a replacement. You can't have a dinner table with your family all drinking out a huge Huel bottle. You can't chew it, you can't get it warm or crunchy, and well, like I recommend, you should use Huel for when convenience is of the essence. That's what Huel is for me, it's convenience. But it will never truly be a meal replacement because you can't truly replace a meal. But hey, it's cheap and fast and portable and healthy. So it's like a faster fast food. Fast food serves its purpose, Huel serves its purpose, and real food serves its purpose too. Oh hey, that must be my escort. Come in, the door's unlocked! Anyway, I gotta end the video here because—